Hey folks, Gerard's Horticulture unedited. We're just using my cell phone as medium. We're at Lowe's scoping out clearance plants. A worker driving something over there, if you can hear me. But they got some dumb canes. They got some chifleras over there, and then I think this is it's not a bad plant. The Dracaena. Thing is, they have it outside. Hey, how's it going, man? How you doing today? All right. Another Dracaena. They got them out in full sun. It's like 90 degrees, so they're waiting for these plants to die, or somebody to pick them up after they've been sunburned. But now is kind of the time to pick up plants if you want to. This fern, which is going to die soon, is about $5. Yeah, like a plum tree. I never thought about a plum. What is that? The Coeur $5. It's sad to see them go. But I would have picked them up if I didn't have all of these, but I probably have, or had them. Like, I would probably get that Dracaena there, $5. Chifleras, I don't know, something about them, just they don't appeal to me, but I do see them in other areas. This isn't a bad Dracaena here. Let me pick it up. It's just sitting there. Definitely got a nice coloring to it and things like that, but we just wanted to still testing out my phone. I got the S1 Pro, I guess it is, and I'm using the Ultra HD. This isn't too bad for $2. This is like a begonia. Not sure what type, but it's definitely an outdoor begonia flower. All the begonia flowers kind of look the same. And you can see over there, they got most of the most over there. They got most of the dead plants, and they're throwing them away. But like I said, now is the time to pick up any type of plants that you may want to see bloom in the spring. And usually what I do, if I'm trying to figure out if the plant's still alive, like say, let's go over here into this plum tree. If it was kind of dead, I would just scratch it. And if it's kind of hard here, but if you scratch it and you see green in this general area, you're pretty much good to go. It's still alive. But like I said, if you want to pick up some plants, run to Lowe's right now. They're probably all across America throwing out plants. That's pretty much it. I'm going to keep looking inside, but I just wanted to show you guys what's going on and keep growing.